If you're broke, lazy, camera shy, or just sick of online hustles that need 15 hours a day and a marketing degree, then stop scrolling because I'm about to show you what may just be the laziest, no face needed way to make money online. And all you need are your feet. FeetFinder, yes, it's real. This is FeetFinder, a marketplace where people sell pictures and videos of their feet to real buying buyers. And yeah, I know how that sounds, but before you click away, here's the crazy part. There are beginners making their first $100 within a few days, creators earning $200 to $500 a monthly casually, and some top sellers are pulling in over $5,000 a month. These aren't pipe dreams, they're real numbers reported by users across multiple sources. And for proof, I'll leave the links to my sources in the description. Here's how it works. You sign up at feetfinders.com, go through a quick ID verification process, and then build your seller profile. Once you're verified, you can upload foot content. Think clean, themed, cosplay, soles, socks, etc. You set up your own prices, accept custom requests, and everything's handled inside the platform. Payments, all managed by a secure third-party processor called SegPay, with FeetFinder taking a 20% commission standard for platforms like this. Worried about your privacy? You're not alone. But FeetFinder's whole thing is discretion. All buyers are ID verified, your real name never shows, and your face never has to be in any photos. You even have control over which countries can view your profile. And payments? All encrypted. They use bank-level security through licensed payment gateways. Okay, so how do you actually make money? Here are 3 tips that separate the people who earn $20 from the ones earning $2,000. Tip 1. High-quality content. Use natural light, clean backgrounds, fresh pedicures, and make your profile look like a product catalog. Tip 2. Stay consistent. Don't ghost your profile. Upload regularly, even once a week. Keeps your visibility up. Tip 3. Offer bundles and custom content. Most buyers want something specific. Be open and upsell packages. All of these tactics are echoed by top earners and verified in seller guides. Let's recap the numbers. Here are what you can realistically expect based on hundreds of seller reports. Beginners, $100 to $500 in your first month if you're active. Part-timers, $200 to $800 monthly with decent photos and some effort. Full-timers, $2,000 to $5,000 plus monthly with strategy and volume. Some sellers even claim $10,000 plus a month. That's not the norm, but it shows the selling exists. So if you're looking for a lazy, low-pressure way to start making money online and don't mind using your feet to get it, FeetFinder is where you start. It's secure, it's legit, it's built for beginners. Sign up using the link below and give your feet a job. Go to feetfinders.com and start earning today.